Do true, false, not given questions in IELTS reading confuse you? Well, let's fix that in less than a minute. Here's the biggest secret. True, false, not given question type is not about understanding the topic, but it's about matching the writer's exact meaning. A statement is true when the passage clearly supports it. It's false when the passage says the opposite. And it's not given when the passage doesn't give you enough information, no matter how obvious the answer feels in real life. So how do you get it right? Step 1, read the statement slowly. Break it into small parts. Step 2, find the same idea, not the same words in the passage. The context will be paraphrased. Step 3, compare meanings. If everything matches, then choose true. If it contradicts, then choose false. If something is missing, go for not given. And here's the trap most students fall into. They assume, they overthink, or they use their own knowledge. Don't do that. In IELTS, only the text tells the truth. To help you master this once and for all, I've created 15 practice questions with real explanations and an answer key. Try them out and watch your IELTS reading score jump. Follow for more smart strategies to make IELTS easier.